Android double-layer motherboard auxiliary layering. IP double-layer motherboard heating layer. Intelligent maintenance heating platform. Large-size universal Android motherboard. IP camera module dedicated. Chip removal, screen frame separation, etc. Layering of IPX series motherboards. Layering of IP11 series motherboards. Layering of IP12 series motherboards. Layering of IP13 series motherboards. Layering of IP14 series motherboards. Precision heating system. Adjustable up to 50°C. Automatic sleep protection. Intelligent one-key wake up. Quick change module.